like something, just do it. Don't matter about what I say or what somebody else says. If you like it and it makes you feel good, make it happen, baby. All right, I'm here. Pick up my 2022 Model Y. I got the new one. It looks actually like this one. We put the matte wrap on there. Let's see how it looks. I believe there's going to be another white one in there, so we'll be able to see what the difference is between the two different colors. Let's check it out. I'm so excited. Oh, I can see it. I'm blocked out. Oh, here we go. There it is. It is wrapped. You can see the matte finish with the wrap there. Oh man, that looks yummy. Oh, so excited. It's my second car done by these guys. Man, finish is phenomenal. Cannot wait to take it out for a spin. Take a closer look at it. I put my letters back on there. Looking good, looking good. I'm gonna show you guys the difference between a matte white and just a regular white. So I'm gonna put them right next to each other. You see how that one is super glossy. Look at that. Come over here. Gives you that sheen, that shine, that it's definitely you can tell the difference right away. That is a matte finish versus the, let me do it over here like this. It's about 5 to 8 millimeters thick. So if you have like rock chips and stuff, this is gonna help protect that from the front, from any kind of like little dings and dents and stuff like that. So not only does it make your car look nice, it actually adds a layer of protection. It looks just as good as my black one when I had the black one on there. Check it out, they also did the window tint on this. The same setup that I had before. You can barely see through, but you can see out really well. I did the top as well. Here in Texas, it's definitely a good idea to do the top. Did the front as well. I love the way that it all came out together. Look at that beauty. It's like a dance crew right here. Like a Backstreet Boys reunion right here. Like I brought mine here to get this wrap on it quick, because there's always like, you know, issues right here when all the dirt gets hit up from the backside of the car. So the PPF is going to protect with that as well. Do yourselves a favor, bring it over here. Brian's going to be able to help you out. They have a lot of amazing techs that will be able to set this up for you. So hit them up, let them know that Min sent you. Hope you guys enjoy the new wrap, because I'm going to enjoy it. And we'll talk to you guys next time. But for now, I'm going to take this little beauty out for a ride. I'm here, I'm going to be doing some more modifications to my car. So today we're going to install this little lip kit that I bought. And alongside with that, I also have the side skirts. So we're going to put it all on, see how it comes out. To do this, you're going to need a drill, but you're also going to need this part right here. This part right here, actually, it's going to allow you to go into like really tight angles. I don't have a jack, so I did all of this without a jack. So normally for something like this, it would probably be better if you guys have 2 people doing this. But since it's only me and I'm a knucklehead and I'm impatient, I'm gonna try to do this by myself. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put 2 of these things together. There's a screw here and that. So when you're done, it's gonna look like this, just like that. Next thing we're gonna wanna do is we're gonna wanna get some of this tape. I'm going to cut it along this line here and kind of fit it like that. This. Right along that line. When you get to the end, obviously you want to chop it off. I would say to double it up. Okay. On the other side here. You don't want to stretch this out as much. Then I'm actually going to put the little ones right here, just so I can get some more grip on it. It's not gonna hurt to get more grip. Alright, now that we're here, we need to clean this off. Basically just an alcohol pad. We're gonna use this to clean the area down here. And now what you're going to do is you're going to go in and peel all this red stuff off. Don't have to touch it. Let's pull some of that off. Okay, so first you're going to peel off one side, peel off, peel off, peel off. This side you're going to peel it off to where you have an ability to pop it off once it's installed. So you don't want to peel off the whole thing, because we're gonna have to try to arrange it. So just have like a little piece like hanging off, kind of like that. Cool. Okay, here we go. Try to give me some more leverage. That's in there. This thing goes up in here. And yeah, that looks good. You don't want to over tighten it, because then it'll strip. So you want to put your drill on the lowest setting. Mine has 3 settings, so I'll put it on number 1. You don't even have to put it in the holes. You can add more to it to make it more secure. Okay, I'm gonna put one more right in here. One extra hole. Alright, and I did it. Check that out. You see that bottom lip coming out like that. There it is. Alright, next thing I got here is my side kit, my side skirts. So I'm gonna put them on one at a time and see how that goes. So to put these side skirts on, we're gonna have to kind of put them in half, so they actually come in halves. So we're gonna put the back side on first and then the front side. So these self-drilling nails and also a washer in them. Make sure you use the cleaner to clean it all. It's definitely so much better with 2 people. Pretty challenging. Alright, so this is going to go on the bottom part. To where it fits the mold. Just like that. Already looks pretty cool. Let's make sure that is on straight. Once I screw this in, that is it. First part on. I'm just gonna put it back here. Cool. Good to go. That one was so much easier than the other one. Oh my Lord, baby Jesus. Alright, so let's do the rest of it. Again, make sure you clean that. I've already done it. Pretty sure I did it. Yeah, I already did that. Where this is gonna go. Hold. Kind of goes in at the very end. It's coming. Okay. Now I'm gonna put on the self-tapping ones to kind of hold it in one of the holes. Here's one in the front. Went in a little bit too easy, which is scary because you want them to be able to grip on something. Get another one in here. Alright, looks good. Got a couple more of these black screws to put in, and then I'll give you a shout out. So I put it on. I'm gonna let you guys check it out now. More than enough clearance on the door. That's how it looks when you get out. getting out. Unless somebody's getting out like this. But now, get out the car. With the body kit on the car, it looks amazing. I love it. I hope I don't hit any curbs with it, but we're gonna take this bad boy out for a spin with the new lip kit and just gonna take it from there. Till the next time, guys, thanks for subscribing, liking, comment. Let me know what you think. Some people might like it, some people don't, you know, but it's your car. Do whatever you want. Doesn't matter about anybody else's opinions except for your own. So if you like something, just do it. Don't matter about what I say or what somebody else says. If you like it and it makes you feel good, make it happen, baby.